Move over, tissue box, because today we're making DIY napkins.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaylee, and for those who don't know, I make a lot of different type of content here on YouTube, such as beauty, DIY, and travel, and kind of anything I feel like doing. But today we have a very special video. We're gonna be back with another crafts with Kaylee. Woo! So I've been thinking about this idea for a really long time because I feel like I have a lot of clothes that I want to donate or give away, but some are not in the best condition to do that. So I've been trying to come up with more sustainable solutions. I think the best option is to make reusable napkins. And of course, this is just an idea. You don't have to use it as a napkin. You can use it as like a cleaning cloth. So I'm not a seamstress or anything. I just do this as a hobby. I bought a sewing machine because I thought it would help me reduce more waste. This is also my first sewing video on the channel, so I'm actually a little bit nervous to sew on camera. If this tutorial is helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's dive right in.
This is what you'll need: material, an iron, scissors and thread, pins or clips, a ruler with paper, and a sewing machine. I mostly make these napkins with cotton material, so here are some examples of what you could use. First, cut the amount that you'd like to use. Now iron it completely flat before starting, and then draw a 1 cm line on a piece of paper, and we're going to use it as a guide. Now fold the fabric over the 1 cm guide and iron it down. I found this method from Melly Sew's YouTube channel, and I thought it was a really good beginner friendly way to make a napkin. There's not that much sewing involved, and also it's very quick, and you can do this one after another because, you know, all of us love saving time. Next, we're going to fold another centimeter down and also iron that flat. And I know I'm using a steamer, but if it works, it works. And then repeat the process on all 4 sides. Now we're going to learn how to make a mitered corner, which is this right here. I'm just going to pin this down before we start. Undo your project, and then you'll see that there's a 2 cm by 2 cm square. I drew it out for you in pen so you can see it better. Fold the corners to meet each other and then fold it one more time. Now refold the ironed edges back into place. And then add a little bit of ironing, and there you have your mitered corner. I'll show it one more time on a different corner. And just as an example here, you don't have to use a pin, you can also use a clip. And then one last time just to finish it off.
Once we have everything pinned and ironed, then we can go sew our new napkins.
So these are the settings that I used. I moved my needle all the way to one side, and then I lined up my fabric on the edge of the presser foot. So when you start your project, do a few stitches and then make sure to do 3 to 5 back stitches. And then just sew a straight stitch all the way down. I really want to show off my corkboard work pad, so here I am seamlessly putting in my pins straight into the corkboard. I have no idea if this is correct or not, but whenever I reach a corner, I just leave the needle in and then turn the fabric. If this is wrong, someone please correct me. So once you've sewed all the way around, then make sure to do some back stitches and then you're done. I did mine with black thread so you can kind of see what it looks like on the front. I normally would have used white or blue thread with this.
I have a whole stack of these pinned up already, so let me do the rest.
These are really easy to do in bulk, so I would suggest take a Sunday afternoon off and just sew your heart out. It's also a great project if you're a beginner because the napkins are very forgivable. Honestly, if you mess up, you can just use it as a rag.
Okay, well that's the tutorial, and I hope you learned something today and that you'll use this technique. Now I have so many napkins. If you want to send me a picture of your napkins, I will be very happy to cheer you on and hype you up. I'm your #1 supporter. Oh, also, if you have any more ideas of things you could upcycle or methods for sustainability, please leave it in the comments below. I would love to try your ideas. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and that this works out for you. Alright, as usual, I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye!